We got Juvies up here! Shit, we got him down here too! Better keep them skinny shits off us!
Damn Juvies. Man, I hate these things.
You guys all right? All right! I got a goddamn raven on my back! We're not all right!
Yeah, where are you?
Hang on! We're coming as fast as we can! They sure don't feel like it! That was the last one.
Thanks. Now, get us out of here.
Paz, get cold!
Thanks. Well, that sucked. Baird, look, our Raven's down. You patch us through to Carmine?
No can do, kid. His radio's out.
Is he okay?
I can see him at the central hub, so he's up and fighting, but the swarm's all over him. Hurry if you can.
Run our way. Come on, Delta. Let's get out of here. Put this to good use. Well, hub's farther than they hoped.
Then we better move it, don't you?
All right, through here. We got a Swarmac at our location.
I'll deploy DB units to take it out. Just get to Carmine.
We'll go. Right after we're done here.
Doors are dug in! Jack, hit him with flag! Fire in the hole! Room's clear.
All evac trucks, proceed immediately to the hub. No stopping.
Lizzie, Delta here. There's a Swarmac in the settlement. Keep your convoy away from it.
Ah, Delta, I was gonna do donuts around it.
Be advised, Corporal. They're faster than they look. Delta out. Evac convoy!
Yeah, Lizzie's from the speed of it. They're the best driver we got. Problem is, yeah, she knows it.
Everybody, stay back! They're coming in!
Hey! Stand down, Private! We're gears!
Shit, sorry, Lieutenant.
No harm, no foul. What are you doing here?
Lost our DBs and we got civilians holed up in here.
Lizzie, Delta requesting civilian pickup. Sector 8, apartment complex.
Copy that, Delta. I'll circle back.
Thanks for that, Lieutenant.
No problem, Private. Come on, Delta.
Sorry again for the air and fire, Lieutenant. I'm glad you showed up when you did, sir.
You guys here to pick us up?
We're not, but the convoy's on the way.
What are we gonna do without DB protection?
Careful out there, sir.
Wilco. Let's go, Delta.
Why didn't the first minute warn us?
Are other settlements getting attacked?
Control, need backup. Adventure things about this. Fuck it. Never mind, Control. I took care of it. DBs, we gotta secure this street.
Lizzie! Oh, man, you're crazy!
What can we do to help?
Just clear this street, Delta. Otherwise, we're stuck here.
All right, you heard her. Let's get to work. Baird, we're assisting a stalled convoy. We might need reinforcements here.
Roger that, Delta. Diverting a Condor your way now.
Phoenix, for the last goddamn time, I'm the ranking officer, which means I call in the reinforcements.
Yes, sir. I will fix it.
So this is a swarm, huh? Not impressed.
Lay down your weapons.
Spread out!
No one wrecks my trucks! Only I get to wreck my trucks!
Attacking!
Take that!
Keep on 'em! Don't let up!
close. What do you need? Sorry, kid. Can't wait. Hope needs help.
Thanks for that, Control. Guardian! Secure this street!
We'll do our duty, Lieutenant.
We can't load civvies onto these trucks if there's no trucks left.
Unit is attacking.
Oh shit! Zion! All right, people, here comes their MVP!
Enemy sighted. Active detainment.
That's it. Street's clear. Now let's regroup.
Hey, the street's clear, but the rooftop ain't! We got a pouncer!
Grab the cover! The crossbow quill!
That's it, we're clear.
Okay, thank you very much.
Lizzie, you good to go here?
Yeah, just gotta round up those civvies you found.
Delta, Carmine's squad just got overrun. They're hunkered down with civilians inside the tower. They're not gonna last if you don't get there soon.
They need you at the hub. Go! You can get there through the park. Gates by the steps.
All right, you Hunter, let's move. Come on, through here. Look, what happened happened. Right now we focus on completing this evacuation.
Goddamn right.
There's the hub, dead ahead. Shit, Carmine is definitely in trouble.